biggest shift is gone from being a local game to a global price check, and it creates what I call pricing whiplash. The biggest misconception is that China is a single, uniform source of quality. It's not. A developer client had 36 townhouses locked in. We rescued the project from insolvency.
When you design a China buying trip for a client, what is your mental framework? How do you decide which factories, markets, and meetings make the cut, and which ones do you deliberately avoid?
My framework isn't about seeing factory. It's about vetting a pre-qualified supply chain. The goal is validation, not discovery. A client time is their most valuable asset. We don't waste it on tourist trips. So the step one, the pre-trip digital lockdown. Weeks before we board a plan, we already shortlisted 2 or 3 factories per category based on deep vetting in international certification and past project samples and hidden audits. The trick is to confirm what we already believe to be true. Step 2, the 3-layer factory filter. When we're on the ground, every visit must pass 3 tests. 1, capability over charm. So does their machinery, research and development lab, and the quality control process match their brochure? A fancy showroom is a red flag if the production floor is disorganized. Number 2, export muscle over domestic focus. We only visit a factory with proven large-scale export line to markets with standards equal to or higher than Australia, like the EU or US. Their systems are already set up for our compliance. So 3 is a partnership over transaction. Is the owner or senior engineer in the meeting? We avoid sales-only reps. We need the technical decision makers who can solve problems on the spot. What we deliberately avoid, the toy markets, like wholesale markets like EU for small commodity, they are for traders, not project builder. The quality is inconsistent and untraceable. The catalog showroom, a fancy office in Shanghai with no attached factory, they are just the middlemen themselves. Or the yes factory. If they say yes to every customer request without engineering questioning, they are saying yes to you deposit, not to delivering your specs. So the mental model is this. We design a surgical strike, not a sightseeing tour. We are there to build trust, shake hands with the right people, and turn a digital relationship into a concrete partnership. You live with confidence, not just the business cards.